Good morning, class. In our last class, we completed the chapter Physical Chemistry, that is surface chemistry. Now today we are going to start the inorganic portion with the first chapter, General Principles and Isolation of Elements, which is also known by a name known as metallurgy. The topics that we are going to discuss is mineral ores and extraction of metals. Minerals. The natural materials in which the metals or their compounds are found in the earth crust are called minerals. So minerals are the natural compounds in which the metals and their compounds are found. The earthly impurities are called gangue or matrix. So the impurities that is present in such minerals we call it the gangue or matrix. Now ores. Ores are those minerals from which metals are extracted commercially at a comparatively lower cost and minimum effort. So ores are those minerals from which we can extract a metal at a very low cost and in a convenient way. There is a statement: all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. The statement means that all the ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. That means minerals are the compounds in which the metals are present, but from all the minerals we cannot extract the metals in a convenient way. That's why all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. The important ores of some metals, say for example iron. Iron can be extracted from ores like hematite Fe2O3, magnetite Fe3O4, iron pyrites FeS2. Similarly, aluminium can be obtained from bauxite or chromium Al2O3. Copper can be extracted from copper pyrite CuFeS2, cuprite Cu2O. Zinc can be extracted from zinc blende ZnS, calamine zinc carbonate, and zinc-side ZnO. Similarly, silver can be extracted from aragonite, copper silver gallons, horn silver, HCl. So these are the important ores of some chief metals. Metallurgy. The process used for extraction of metals in their pure form from their ores is called metallurgy. So the process in which we can extract the metals in the pure form from their ores is called as metallurgy. Now the different methods involves in the extraction of metals. That means how from ore we can extract the metal by following the different ways. The first is crushing and grinding. Crushing and grinding means those are usually present in the form of lumps or of used mass. So first it is crushed and then we grind it into a fine powdered. And after that we carried out the process known as concentration. Concentration is also known as a dredging. That means the process of removing the impurities. And this concentration involves 4 different methods: gravity separation, froth flotation method, magnetic separation, and chemical method or leaching. All this process we have already studied in class 10 in the chapter Metallurgy. You can revise from there. Next, after concentration, after removing the impurities, the concentrated ore is either carried out roasting or calcination. Calcination means heating of concentrated ore in absence of oxygen, to convert into the oxide form. And roasting means heating of concentrated ore in the presence of oxygen to convert into oxide form. Next is reduction. It can be a chemical reduction or electrolytic reduction. Next, refining. After reduction, we carried out the process known as refining, and finally we can obtain a pure metal. So these are the different process that is involved in the extraction of metals. Now today's assignment 13. Question number 1. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Explain this statement. Question number 2. Mention 2 important ores of the following metals: aluminium, iron, copper and zinc. So you need to write at least two important ores of the following metals along with the formula. Question number 3. Define metallurgy. And question number 4. Differentiate between roasting and calcination. Differentiate between roasting and calcination. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.